Be careful with the camera.
Hi everyone, I'm Tristan, and this is my friend Daddy.
Hi, it's me, Daddy. Today we're going to be reading My First Book of Nature.
Until then, we can see animals.
We're going to focus on the animals in this book.
Let's go.
Okay. This book is by
Little Grasshoppers.
Little Grasshoppers Books TV. Let's turn the page. The first page focuses on the bird. The bird lives in trees. It likes to make its nest on top of branches and then lay its eggs inside. It eats worms and bugs. Next page. These pages look like they focus on insects
Bugs.
and bugs. Here we have the spider. He makes a spider web to catch his prey to eat.
You're right.
Here we have a caterpillar that eats a lot, makes a cocoon, and turns into a butterfly. What a beautiful colored butterfly.
Blue.
Here's a worm that lives in the ground. Over here we have a dragonfly. A dragonfly has 4 wings and likes to eat mosquitoes.
And lives in a pond.
Yes, lives around a pond. Tristan, can you tell us what this is?
A ladybug.
And what does he eat?
Aphids and tomato bugs.
Oh yes. This is an ant. He lives inside a burrow with a colony. Here's a grasshopper. The farmers say, "Stay away from my plants, grasshoppers," because they like to eat lots of vegetation.
Look at this insect.
Oh, what is this, Tristan?
It's a snail.
And what does he grow on his back?
It's a shell.
Yes, very good. And now let's turn the page. Ooh, here is a bunch of animals that live in the forest. We have the woodpecker, who likes to peck on the bark and look for insects and bugs.
Watch this.
Peck, peck, peck. Oh, woodpecker, ouch! Here is a squirrel. He lives in the forest. He likes to eat nuts and seeds, such as this acorn that falls out of the tree. Over here. Here we have a bear. This bear is very large. In the winter, he goes to sleep called hibernation. Here is an owl. An owl can see very well and can turn his head almost all the way around. Last, we have a moose. It's like a very large deer with big antlers. Be careful, they can be grumpy. Next page. Now we're focusing on animals around the pond. We have carp that live inside the pond. We have a frog. We have a duckling, which is a baby duck. They like to swim in the pond and eat little fish and vegetation. Around the pond you might find,
Days or reeds.
yes, and we have tadpoles that turn into frogs. Water lilies are the frog's favorite home, and here is a heron. This heron is a bird that likes to fish in the pond. He has a very large wingspan. Now let's turn the page.
What's
Oh,
this?
here on this page is the desert. We have the meerkat. When he's standing up like that, he's searching for danger.
What's
We also have the camel that stores all his water
Okay.
inside his hump.
Huh. What's this?
We have the dunes, which is sands piled up. Sands are in deserts, and cactus is the kind of plant that stores all the water inside. Here we have animals in the mountains. We have a cave where maybe you might find a snake.
What's this?
Or a bat. A bat sleeps.
Upside down.
Oh, yes.
Okay, next let's do questions.
We're going to do questions about what?
Things do. What's this? What is it?
These are animals that live at the ocean. What's this?
It's a crab.
Oh, this crab scuttles around looking for food. Here we have
It's a seagull.
a seagull. This seagull likes to fly around looking for food. Any food. It's a scavenger. Here we have,
It's a whale.
it's a whale. They are very large. What's this?
It's a turtle.
Oh, it's a turtle with a shell, and it can swim fast in the ocean. What's this?
It's a dolphin.
Oh yes, it's a wonderful dolphin that can do tricks and swim, and are usually friendly to humans.
What's growing?
Oh, this is seaweed. Seaweed is the kind of plant
Yes.
that grows in the ocean.
Seaweed.
Next page. These are animals that live in a lake. We have 3 different kinds of fish.
Do you?
What's this?
It's a trout.
This one is.
It's a salmon.
They are known to swim upriver. This is a.
It's a catfish.
Yeah, they like to eat pretty much anything, and they sit on the bottom of the lake. Over here we have a.
Beaver.
What do beavers build for their homes?
It's a dam.
They built dams. Here is a.
It's a raccoon.
Oh, you might find him in your garbage can. This is an.
It's an alligator.
Stay away. Rawr.
You might bite and
Yeah.
it hurt.
And this is a waterfall. Next page. Here we have things you might find in a field. You might find a bumblebee collecting
It's a
pollen from
bee.
a flower. A bee. Here we have a mouse. They scurry around looking for grains
What
and
is he
seeds.
doing?
He looks like he's eating something. This is a hare. It's a kind of rabbit that's very fast. Watch out for the dandelions. Here we have a deer with a big rack of antlers and a baby deer called.
It's a fawn.
Oh, this is grass. They all like to eat it. And they also would eat seeds and a beautiful apple that grows from a tree. Next page. Oh, looks like we have safari animals or even on the savannah. Here we have, what is this?
It's a giraffe.
Oh, is it a very tall animal?
Yes.
Does it eat leaves from trees?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Over here we have
It's a hyena.
a hyena. They have very strong jaws. What's this?
It's a lion.
Oh, it's a lion, the king of the jungle?
Yes.
Oh, yes. What's this?
Elephant.
Oh, a beautiful elephant. They're usually friendly, but be careful. They protect their herd of elephants. Here is a river and some animals that might live around the river, such as,
It's a hippopotamus.
though hippopotamuses look very cuddly, they're very dangerous. They don't like people coming in their territories. What's this?
It's a buffalo.
Oh, it's a buffalo, a very large animal found in North America. What's this?
It's a zebra.
What is a zebra known for?
Grass. They black and white.
It's black and white stripes. This is a cheetah. This kind of large cat is very
fast.
Oh, yeah. Turn the page. Oh, on our last page we have weather. Let's go quickly because these aren't animals. We have lightning, rain, snowflakes, puddle, volcano, cloud, and tornadoes. Thank you for reading this book with me and Tristan.
We hope you see you again. Bye.
Goodbye.
Thanks.
Thanks.